Before proceeding ahead, I am informing you that you can watch this video with Hindi audio on my alternate channel youtube.com/md मुदस्सिर आलम। आप इस वीडियो को हिंदी ऑडियो के साथ मेरे alternate चैनल youtube.com/md मुदस्सिर आलम पर देख सकते हैं। चैनल की लिंक मैंने वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपके साथ शेयर कर दिया है। Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Career Master Muhammad Mudassir Alam. Central University of South Bihar CUSB Gaya has issued the notification regarding online counseling process as well as admission in various UG and PG courses. In this exclusive video, I will share all the details. But before proceeding ahead, I am requesting you to like this video. Don't forget to share this video with others. Don't forget to subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed yet, and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any information, any update about Central University of South Bihar and other participating universities of Central Universities Common Entrance Test 2020, that is CUSET 2020. Central University of South Bihar has issued the notification for counseling as well as admission. The notification is issued by the Controller of Examination on the website of the university www.cusb.ac.in. Further, in this video, I will share all the details regarding the notification, admission fee, what are the intake, what is the eligibility criteria, as well as cutoff for UG and PG courses. In this exclusive video, I will also share the format of the undertaking, the documents you are unable to submit at the time of counseling admission. What is the format? You can see the video further for the format, as well as I will also share what is the notification for PhD, what is the information given by university for PhD programs. So watch the video carefully further. Central University of South Bihar notice for admission 2/2020. It is notified for information of the candidates having appeared in CUSET 2020 and are seeking admission in Central University of South Bihar in academic year 2020-21 that the admission process for all the programs undergraduate and postgraduate offered by the university shall commence from 22nd of October 2020. The admission process for PhD program will be scheduled tentatively in mid-November 2020 and the details will be notified on the website in first week of November 2020. For admission in any program, candidates who have opted for Central University of South Bihar in CUSET 2020 and obtained the cutoff marks/score for the respective program annexure 1 shall be required to register themselves on CUSB portal live from 22nd of October 2020 at 5 p.m. by paying the registration fee, non-refundable for admission, rupees 500 for general OBC EWS and rupees 200 for SC ST PWD, and the prescribed program fee refundable if not selected for admission by 28th of October 2020 as per fee structure mentioned at the annexure 2. Program-wise merit list for admission shall be drawn from amongst the candidates only who have registered themselves for admission and deposited the prescribed program fee within the stipulated timeline. The schedule for online registration and admission process are as follows. Serial number 1, online registration for admission, payment of registration fee, non-refundable payment of prescribed program fee for respective programs of study and uploading of document certificate, 22nd of October 2020 5 p.m. to 28th of October 2020 11:30 p.m. Online document verification and confirmation of eligibility of candidates by respective departments, 30th October 2022, 2nd of November 2020. Publication of list of admitted students by COE office, 4th of November 2020. Online orientation of admitted students through Google Meet by the respective department, 5th of November 2020. Online course registration by admitted students, 5th of November to 7th of November 2020. Commencement of class of first semester, 9th of November 2020. Filling of vacancies, if any, due to cancellation withdrawal from the waitlist will be notified subsequently on university website. Interview for PhD program, 23rd of November to 30th of November 2020. These are other details. You can read all the details by pausing the video. I will also share the link of this document in the description of this video. Read all the instructions before filling up online form for registration of counseling. Program-wise cutoff marks for round 1 admission 2020 program 4-year integrated BA B.Ed unreserved 40, OBC 40, SC 25, ST 10, EWS 40. 4-year integrated BSc B.Ed unreserved 32, OBC 32, SC 25, ST 17, EWS 32. 5-year integrated BLLB honors unreserved 40, OBC 40, SC 20, ST 10, EWS 40. MA in Journalism and Mass Communication unreserved 20, OBC 20, SC 10, ST 10, EWS 20. MA MSc in Psychology, you can see the details here. General, OBC, SC, ST, EWS. MA in English, General, OBC, ST, SC, ST and EWS. MA in Hindi, General, OBC, SC, ST, EWS. MA in Sociology, General, OBC, SC, ST, EWS. MA in Social Work, General, OBC, SC, ST, EWS. MA in Development Studies, General, OBC, SC, ST, EWS. MA in Political Science and International Relations, General, OBC, SC, ST, EWS. MA in Economics, General, OBC, SC, ST, EWS. MSc in Biotechnology, General, OBC, SC, ST, EWS. MSc in Bioinformatics, General, OBC, SC, ST, EWS. MSc in Life Science, General, OBC, SC, ST, EWS. MSc in Environmental Science, General, OBC, SC, ST, EWS. MSc in Computer Science, General, OBC, SC, ST, EWS. MSc, MA in Mathematics, General, OBC, SC, ST, EWS. MSc in Statistics, General, OBC, SC, ST, EWS. MSc in Physics, General, OBC, SC, ST, EWS. MSc in Chemistry, General, OBC, SC, ST, EWS. MA in History, General, OBC, SC, ST, EWS. LLM, General, OBC, SC, ST, EWS. MCOM, General, OBC, SC, ST, EWS. MEd, General, OBC, SC, ST, EWS. MSc in Geology, General, OBC, SC, ST, EWS. M.Pharm Pharmaceutics, General, OBC, SC, ST, EWS. M.Pharm Pharmacology, General, OBC, SC, ST, EWS. For PWD candidates, reservation of seats as per Government of India guidelines and cut off as per the category to which student belong. So there is no another special mileage for PWD category students. Fee structure, program wise fee details. 4-year integrated BA B.Ed 11,718, 4-year integrated BSc B.Ed 12,718, 5-year integrated BLLB honors 11,218, MA Development Studies 9,218, MA Political Science and International Relations 9,218. Same fee for MA Sociology, MA English, MA Hindi, MA MSc Psychology, MA History, MCOM. MA Economics 9,718, MA Social Work 17,718, MSc Statistics 9,218, MSc Environmental Science 13,218. Same fee for MSc Biotechnology, MSc Bioinformatics 12,718, MSc Life Science 13,218. Same fee for MA in Journalism and Mass Communication, MSc Computer Science 12,718, MSc Physics 10,718. Same fee for MSc Chemistry, MSc Mathematics 9,218. MSc Geology 15,718, MEd 13,418, LLM 13,718, M.Pharm Pharmaceutical 22,718. Same fee for M.Pharm Pharmacology. PhD 23,518. Hostel fee rupees 9,000 per semester if allotted. These are the list of documents. I am scrolling the document. You can see these documents are required for counseling and admission. Undertaking about non-submission of documents for seeking admission in Central University of South Bihar. This is the undertaking. Relevant qualifying exam document you need to submit by 31st of December 2020 and other documents by 31st of March 2021. So this is the simple undertaking format. You have to list all the documents. If number of documents are increasing, you can mention the documents here by increasing the number. This is the intake and eligibility criteria document. You can pause the video and read all the details. I am scrolling the document. I hope after watching this video all your doubts or your confusion regarding the counseling process of Central University of South Bihar is clear. Even if you are having any confusion, you may ask your question in the comment box below. That's all in this video. Thanks a lot. Please keep on watching my channel. All the best for your career. All the best for admission in CSB.